Welcome to Arduino Basics.
At this moment, we should understand how a push button works. But if I have 16 in a row, it will be easier if we use a keypad. For that reason, today on our circuit, we are going to use an Arduino, a piezo, and a keypad. When we take all our elements, we are going to organize them, and we are going to start with the piezo connecting the negative to the ground on our Arduino board, and the positive to any pin, can be analog or digital. Then we are going to connect our keypad. As you can see, our keyboard has 8 different pins, 4 for the rows and 4 for the columns. A row is one from the left to the right, and in here it has the 4 pins, and a column goes from up to down. To connect these pins, I'm going to do it in the way that I am going to identify them easily. So I am going to start with the row 4 to the pin 8, and in that way from 8 to 11 I am going to connect all the rows, and the column 1 to pin 7, and from column 1 to 4 are going to be connected to pins 7 to 4. I am going to give for each one of them a different color, as you can see. For the rows I am going to use a turquoise, and for the columns I am going to use purple. You can use any color you want to identify them better. And finally, I am going to give a color for the wires from the piezo to the Arduino, and I am going to identify the positive red and the negative in black color. Now that we have finished our circuit, let's type our code.